Yo, sup witches, this is Eisen. You guys remember this Afro Wig I mentioned in my weave rehab video last summer? So I decided to bite the bullet a month later and take a straightener to it. This thing was actually used in my brother's Bob Ross costume for Halloween of fricking, I don't even remember what year. But yeah, it looked pretty good halfway through straightening it. So I put it on in my new shirt from the water park. I got rid of that thing pretty quick because I just don't fit a 7/8 the way I used to. Late at night, I poured boiling water on the wig a couple of times to straighten it, and I swung it around on a hook I made. The thing went flying out the window, so I had to go save it before a spider crawled in there. It looks freaking good, but as you can see, they've done the wefts different than a straight wig. Due to the coverage curly hair gives you, the amount of weft they did at the top looks like a massive freaking bump, so I stitch ripped a section of it. So if anybody needs a hand-sized weft of extremely cheap synthetic hair, hit me up. I tested the temperature of the straightener with my new garage sale meat thermometer, and it goes up to 145 degrees Celsius. So I marked that on it in nail polish when I gave it away, in case someone else was going to use it on synthetic hair. To give this wig its best chance, I cut it into my preferred haircut, the one I'd have if my hair was long again like it was in my teens. The long hair I'd had during COVID was probably the last time it'll be that long for quite a while, because it was extremely freaking cringe, and I dressed horribly back then, but also because immediately after I got used to being short again, it started to freaking fall out. Now it's all about the yearly tradition of growing it out and cutting it off so I can make a weft I can use as my bangs. I tried my best to get this thing into the best emo cut that I never had, because my hair was never straight like this when I was emo. It was genuinely good at this point. I wish I could have looked this good as an emo. I would wear this out in public, but it's really shiny even after powdering it twice with cornstarch, and it's not that masculine. I would like to live in a world where I can have a Davi Vanity style wig and still be able to get chicks, but Andy Six has turned into Andy Black and Sonny Moore has turned into Skrillex. There's not much I can do about it. For the side part, I cut off the perma-tees, and just in case I ever want to wear this without a hat for some reason. I'm probably not gonna, but, you know. It didn't make it look much better, but it will in the future if I want to upgrade this. Squeak. Eyes out.